Hey guys, welcome to episode 38, and on today's episode we are taking a look at needles and thread on your Cobra Class 26 sewing machine. So let's take a look. The Cobra Class 26 sewing machine uses the 135 by 16 and the 135 by 17 needle system. The 135 by 16 needles have a cutting point designed to cut through hard and dry leather or other hard textiles, and the 135 by 17 needles are ballpoint needles featuring a more round tip and prevent cutting of fabric. All three major needle brands do work with their Class 26 as long as you use the 135 needle system. Based on your project thread size, you will need to make sure that you use the correct needle size that works best with that thread. There is a thread and needle size chart later on in this video for you to pause and take a look at. So let's go over the process on how to change out the needle. A rule of thumb is that you should change the needle out every 8 hours of actual operation. So to begin, unscrew the locking screw on the needle bar. This loosens the needle and allows you to remove the used unwanted needle from the needle bar. Insert a new needle and make sure it is all the way up into the needle bar and then lock it back into place. The way the needle is positioned is critical to the operation of the machine. The scarf is the small area above the needle eye where the hook passes by and creates the stitch. This scarf must be facing to the right when loading the needle. On the other side of the needle, there is a groove, and that groove must be facing to the left. Okay, now let's talk about thread. The thread capacity for the Cobra Class 26 is from 46 all the way up to 207. Now there are a lot of thread manufacturers and types of thread. For best practice, test out your project thread with the proper needle size on similar leather associated with the project. An easy way to help with deciding on thread color is to use a thread chart to visually see and then decide. Here's a recommended needle to thread size guide. Practice and testing is ultimately the best way to yield proper results, so have fun and good luck. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this information has helped you. Good luck on your future projects and take care.